Number 3, this is the most important one on this list because before I did this, I was scrambling around like a headless chicken. One thing a Black woman is going to do is go hard for everybody else. But who's gonna look out for us but us? And that's one of the reasons why I'm so excited about making this video. I have been itching to make a video specifically for Black women. I said it. And today I am scratching that itch. So girl, pull up a seat, tell your girls to come through, and let's talk about this internet money. There is a lot of money to be made, and not a lot of people are actually talking about how to make the money. Everyone's selling their services and showing you their new houses, their new cars, their new purses, and you're out there just looking like, well, how though? How are you doing it? Who is paying you? Where's the money coming from? I know that I used to be that person when I worked in corporate and I looked at people like Patricia Bright and wondered, how on earth is she doing all these things? Like, where's the money coming from? How does she grow an audience? And after spending my time, my money, my resources, and my prayers to figure this thing out, I'm like, I'm never going to gatekeep. If you're watching this right now, maybe from work or from home, and you're thinking, I also want to make money on the internet, but I just don't even know where to start, then girl, your prayers have been answered, okay? Because in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing 6 steps, 6 actual practical steps to take to know exactly where the internet money is and how to make it. And I even took it a step further to share a free resource with you in point number 3. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the very end to make the most out of it. Number 1, the first thing you have to do is choose a money path. There are 4 main money paths to make up to 6 figures on these internet streets. And I'm not talking about making $100 here or $200 there. I'm talking about making $100,000 and above on the internet. And the 4 money paths are 1, content creation, 2, agency freelancing, 3, coaching, and 4, selling digital products. These 4 money paths are the absolute best because you can start with very little money, you do not need any physical inventory, and you can scale to $100,000 and beyond. And if you want me to deep dive into any of these 4 money paths, then let me know which one you want down in the comment section. As you know, on this channel, I'm making the videos that you need. So let me know down in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss that video when I make it. Number 2 is to choose a promotion platform. Okay, so if you're saying you want to be a content creator or you want to sell digital products, you have to show up somewhere, especially if you're doing it without money. If you're doing it with money, then you can always run ads. But girl, if you don't want to spend your money up front, I still got you, okay? You have to show up somewhere though. You can show up on YouTube, you can show up on Instagram, you can show up on a blog. It really doesn't matter where you decide to show up, but you have to make sure you show up in a place where you can afford to be consistent. For some people, YouTube is just too much. You're not trying to get dressed, sit in front of a camera, talk, all of the things that have to go into making a YouTube channel, and that's cool. You might be good at writing, and blogging might be more your speed. Or you might be someone who writes really good captions and you can just make some graphics and set up an Instagram page. Whatever your strengths are, you want to lean into them as you pick the platform to show up on. However, showing up is non-negotiable if you want to get this internet bag. So what you have to do is decide which platform aligns best with your natural skills, your natural talents, and show up there consistently. Number 3, this is the most important one on this list because before I did this, I was scrambling around like a headless chicken. This is where all my money went into before I started showing up online and making my own internet money. You have to invest in your education. Now, I'm not even going to hold you up. It can get really expensive. So my corporate job actually funded the education that I needed to be able to learn how to show up online, make money, and then quit the job to do this full time. However, I know not everyone who watches this channel channel has that kind of money. And that's one of the reasons why I'm very intentional about bringing you resources that are high quality and beneficial, but also low cost or even free. So when HubSpot agreed to sponsor this video, I was over the moon because I took one of the classes on HubSpot Academy and it completely changed the trajectory of my business. They were intentional enough to create a course specifically for us. And it's literally called Build Your Business as a Black Entrepreneur. I was like, okay, come through HubSpot. I'm willing to have a conversation with you and bring you onto the channel. And because they've been kind enough to sponsor this video, you have access to the course for free. I mean, you're gonna learn how to target your audience with who you actually are. You're gonna learn how to put your own sauce into your content, into your business, and into your messaging, like things that I cannot even begin to say in a YouTube video. You get to learn directly from a global brand like HubSpot. So don't even procrastinate, girl. Go down into the description box right now, click the HubSpot link, sign up, and get access to this course for free. Don't say I never did anything for you because I'm out here bringing you only the best. So thanks HubSpot for sponsoring this video. Number 4, but before we get into number 4, if you've been watching this video and you like it, then please go ahead and hit the like button. It's free and it helps this video go out to more people like us. So number 4 is to choose your target audience. I know we like to think that we are for everybody, but I know I'm not for everyone. I know I'm not for everyone. I wasn't even called to everyone, and I'm aware of that, and I'm okay with that. Sometimes we think that if we only focus on our target audience, the pool might not be big enough, so we'll stay small. I had to dismiss all of those limiting beliefs, and let me tell you, you can see for yourself how the growth has been. It's been exponential. And it fills my heart with so much joy because I know I don't just have hundreds of thousands of random people who I'm not called to. I have amazing women like you. You're determined to achieve financial freedom. You want to walk into your purpose. You want to be fearless in the things that you've been called to do. And there's no way you would have found me or my channel if I wasn't intentional about reaching you. So you want to be intentional about reaching your people as well. Your people can be moms, your people can be teachers, your people can be doctors. It doesn't even matter, but make sure that you're being intentional in your messaging to reach those people. And things like messaging, targeting are so specific that I can't cover in just one YouTube video. So if you care about that, you can just sign up for the HubSpot course and learn more about it. Number 5 is to get clear on the problem you are solving. Imagine if I showed up here one day, I'm solving a problem related to money. The next day, I'm solving a problem related to makeup. The next day, I'm solving a problem related to getting a good wig. You'll be so confused and you would unsubscribe with a quickness. I know you will. And think about it. If that will be your response, then that's probably going to be the response of your audience if you're not clear on the problem you're solving. So go into this online space knowing exactly what value you bring and what problem you're willing to solve, and then hit us with it, girl. And number 6, do not, come closer, do not take out your hot sauce. If you don't listen to anything else I say in this video, if you don't even do yourself a favor and get access to the free course, do not take out your hot sauce if you want to make money online. What is your hot sauce? Your hot sauce is the thing that makes you, you. And it might be cringe to the people from your high school. It might be cringe to your neighbors. It might be cringe to people who are not your people. But on the internet, you can reach your people, okay? So this is not a place where you take out your hot sauce at all. I bring all that makes me me to this channel, and that's why you're here. That's why all of these other women are here. That's why I can reach out to a company like HubSpot and they're willing to partner with this platform, because I'm not taking out my sauce. There are other people who are also leveraging their sauces. For example, Ellie Talks Money goes on about the fact that she is a single mom of 4. And there's so many women who follow her because they see themselves in her and they want to be like her someday. So if you don't show us who you are, even the parts of you that you're not necessarily happy about or the things that make you a little bit shy, those are the things that make people connect with you, okay? And when they connect with you, they'll be willing to follow you, subscribe to you, be in your community, buy your service, and you get to the bag. That way you have a combination of purpose impact, and income. I hope you found this video helpful, and please know that the fears you're currently holding on to, the limiting beliefs you're currently holding on to, they don't belong to you. They're lies. I promise you, they're lies. There's so many ways to make money on and offline, and there's so many resources available that wouldn't break your back or your bank account, and I will keep working hard to bring those resources to you. Remember that I'm rooting for you, so please do not stop rooting for yourself. And until next time, please take care